How to do the favorite photo from the summer Instagram trend. Hello guys and welcome to our channel. So here, as you can see, I am already on my Instagram. So if you want to do this trend too, you just have to follow the steps from this video. So first of all, we have to find the sticker that we want to use. So click on the search icon from the bottom of the page and you can search for my account, Ali and John YTT, or the first account. But if you go to my account, Ali and John, you will find it much more easier. Click on the profile, and then here you have to click on story trends from highlights, and then you have to go to the third story, and from here you have to click on add yours button, and after that you can either take a photo right now, or you can just go to your uploads and add your favorite photo. So I will go with this one. Then you can place your sticker wherever you want, then click send to, and then click on share at your story, and then hit on done. So yeah guys, that's it. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, you can smash that like button, and you can also subscribe to our channel. And also, if you have some questions, you can go ahead and ask them in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye bye.